Hej och välkommen tillbaka. So in the last video I mentioned that the Swedish SK sound can be pronounced differently depending on the vowel that follows. The same principle applies for the K and G in Swedish. But before we get to the differences, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on all the other parts of this 14-day challenge. The Swedish K can either be pronounced like sh or like k. It is usually pronounced like sh when it's followed by a soft vowel. Kemi, kittla, kyla, källa, kött. It is usually pronounced like k when it's followed by a hard vowel. Kan, kosta, kul, kol. Also have in mind that there are a few exceptions here. For example, kex, Kenya, kille. We usually pronounce the Swedish G like j or like g. Now the Swedish G is usually pronounced like j when it's followed by a soft vowel. Ger, gilla, gymnastik, gäst, göra. And the G is usually pronounced like g when it's followed by a hard vowel. Gammal, godis, gul, går. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.